Hello everyone. In today's episode, I am taking a very interesting idea in geometry, counting the maximum number of regions formed in a circle. Here I begin. The problem statement is, in how many maximum number of regions can the interior of a circle be divided by straight lines joining n points on the circumference of a circle. So, instead of considering n points, let's start with 2 points. So, say if there are 2 points taken on the circumference of the circle anywhere. So, how many total maximum regions are formed? Clearly, this is 1 and this is 2. So, total 2 regions are formed. What if we are given with 3 points? So, if you take 3 points anywhere on the circumference of the circle, the total number of interior maximum number of region formed. This is the first region, this is second one, the smaller one, then this triangular region, the third one, and this is the fourth. So, total number of regions formed is 4. If we take 4 points, say A, B, C and D, so let us quickly count. We join all the possible chords so that the maximum regions would be say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, in this case we observe that the number of region formed is 8. What if the number of points were 5? So, A, B, C, D and E. So, all the possible chords are joined together. So, let me count the total number of regions formed. So, 1, this is smaller one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then this is 9th, 10th, 11, then 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So, in this case the total number of region formed is 16. So, whatever we have learned so far, quickly recap that. So, if the number of points were 2, the number of region formed were 2. If 3 points were taken, there were the total of 4 region formed. For 4 points, 8 regions were formed, and for 5 points, 16 regions were formed. So, if we take 6 points, can you answer it? Can you make a guess that how many total number of regions will be formed? Probably you might be thinking that the answer is 32, right? Because we may observe in this first case, if I call this as n is equal to 2, so in the first case the answer is 2 raised to the power 2 minus 1, which is 2. In the second case it is 2 raised to the power 3 minus 1, which is 4. In the third case it is 2 raised to the power 4 minus 1, which is 2 cube, 8, and in the next case it is 2 raised to the power 5 minus 1, 2 power 4, and which is 16. So, naturally it seems for n is equal to 6, we must get 32 regions. So, for a sake of simplicity, I have constructed a diagram for your reference. So, A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 points are taken. So, let us start counting all the number of regions. 1, 2, the smaller one, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then this is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 and 31. But I think we guessed that the answer should be 32. So where is that one missing region? In fact, the number of regions in a circle are beginning of geometric sequence 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. And it is obviously tempting to conclude that 6 points will produce 32 regions. However, no matter where the 6 points are located on this circle, there will not be more than 31 regions actually. So here comes the formula for number of maximum regions. So if n points are taken, then the maximum number of regions formed is actually given by this formula, and this is equivalent to a formula which is related to combinations. Sometimes a rule or a formula may seems to be obvious, but that may not be true. Early generalization sometimes may lead to the wrong results. So one need to be careful about it and accept the result if it is mathematically proven. So let us check out for n is equal to 4. We know that we counted here total 8 regions. So substitute n is equal to 4 in this first formula, and I have shown the calculation for your reference. The number of regions found is 8. And if I use the another alternative formula, so this is again very simple. We get n is equal to 8. So those who want to know what is the meaning of this NCR, the notation like this is nothing but n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial, and where n factorial is nothing but the product of first n natural numbers. So here comes the task for you. Question 1. In how many maximum number of regions can the interior of a circle be divided by straight lines joining 7 points on the circumference of the circle? And second question is, draw that figure and verify your answer you obtain. So I will be waiting for your answers in the comment box. If you like this idea and this video, please do subscribe to my channel and tell your students and your teachers about the same. That's all for today. I will come out with some another interesting idea in mathematics in my next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.